guys, welcome back to Imaginary Books, and today we're unboxing Wonderloom. Day after Christmas, of course, I messed up. And this is my first time actually doing this. So I have my Aunt Darla here.
Hi guys!
And she's gonna read the instructions so I can do Wonderlooms.
All right.
Okay, so first, oh my god. There's tape! How dare they put tape on a kid box? And by the way, I'm only 7. Huh.
Did we check the age on this?
Did I check that?
8+. No problem.
Yeah. Yeah, that's no problem.
No problem.
Because I'm smart.
Real smart.
I'm smarter than my aunt.
What?
I mean, you didn't know the stuff I asked you, so.
Let me find a scissor.
Yeah, she's an dummy. She's my aunt. Aunt Darla, help me. My mom is in the shower, so basically. Alright. Oh my god. And that's all.
That's it.
Oh my god, mixed up rubber bands. So let's open this up. Hopefully we got 2 of those.
Okay. Oh boy. Place the bands on each pin. Single. Triple. Let's start with a single. Okay, so to start, do we want to start with these ones where the colors are already separated to make it easier?
Yeah.
Instead of opening up that? Because this already has separate colors. Oh, so maybe you could like put your name on the box so people know whose it is. Okay, so, wow, look at these little hookies. So I think what we just need for right now to start is, this says if we put some rubber bands, and look how we're gonna do this, Val. We're gonna put one rubber band going that direction and then one going that direction until we fill the whole board up. So you're gonna do 2 different colors.
Okay.
All right.
Need this and yellow. Where's the yellow? Over here.
Okay.
So those
Bright
are
yellow.
the only one that should be open.
Which one did you want to use? The white and the yellow?
No, this and the yellow.
Okay.
Cover that back up.
Okay.
Cover it.
All right, so the first thing you're gonna do is start with your bands. Can I put the first one on to show you? Or just loop this one from here to here. Perfect. Now get your next color.
So this is how it's working
Exactly.
right now. Hi guys.
Making the first bracelet.
I'm making my first bracelet. I'm so excited. I've never tried Wonderlooms. Just got it for Christmas, so you expected me to do it again like
Yeah,
this? Keep on.
You go all the way following the same pattern until you get to the top. Yes.
To the bottom, you mean?
Well, I guess so. See, and whenever you're doing it, see how there's a little arrow right here? You want to make sure the arrow is pointing away from you, okay? We have it set up just right now. Push down on the, pointing away. See how that arrow is pointing away from you towards the camera?
Yeah.
That's the correct way. If it was pointing like this, it would be the wrong way. So that's why we have it this way. So you got to keep going.
I wish I could do a time lapse, but I don't know how to do that.
Well, we're going to start with the single loop, and then we can try the triple loop.
What's a triple?
Look, you can do all those different colors. But this one is much more complicated. So we're going to start with the easy one first.
Then go.
Then once we know how to do it, we'll do the complicated one.
It's a diagram.
That's right. Diagram. Step 1, step 2. So you got to keep.
One, step two,
Well, first we got to do this, and then we're going to do these steps. First, you got to put all your bands on your board, and then you'll do this. The second step.
I'll get. My dog is over there. Bye.
She'll be right back.
We're back from a break. I think we can find out how to do a time lapse.
We can do an editing.
Yeah, and edit and find out how to do a time lapse, and we can time lapse through this.
Well, we could stop it right now and do a video of a time lapse, and then we could go back and finish the video. You want to do that? And we'll put them together?
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll be right back.
Bye. Hey guys.
Oh, I don't have any internet.
So I finished my bracelet here. So here's my bracelet. So it's all hooked up on the cording. So what else do we have to do? While you're looking at that, we need to do in our time lapse. Give me a second. I want to stick these next to something.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Hi guys, welcome back. I was just doing my name and I didn't want it to take forever. So.
All right, so we're gonna start looping this bracelet. You got your looping tool. All right, so the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna stick your tool in there to grab that pink band. See how the hook is faced on your, turn it like that. You're gonna stick it, this one right here, like in between there, yeah. Pull it up, and you wanna wrap it around over here. Like so it comes off of this one and goes around that one.
Okay, this is confusing.
All right, now leave it there. Excellent. Now, you got to grab the yellow band from right there. Not that one. This one. The one back by closer to there.
Yeah.
No, right. Let me show you real quick. This is a little tricky, so you got to grab that one.
Would you like me to time lapse this?
Well, first let's do a couple, and then you're going to time lapse the rest.
Like that?
Pull it up, out.
Up,
out, and around this one.
Oh.
Okay, and now you've got to go in and get this one and put it over there. Coming out of here.
That's fully out.
Did we do that right? I think so. Let's keep trying. Do the next one. Oh, maybe we didn't do it right. No, this one.
What?
All right, let's go back one. Is this perfect? So this one was like this, right? This is tricky. So maybe we need to catch it from inside. We need to go inside, get this pink one. Yeah, that's it. See, so it catches the yellow one. So you got to stick your thing down and grab the one at the bottom. Try it.
Okay.
No, over here. You got to do this one next.
Okay.
Grab the yellow. Up through the pink. Wait, unwrap it around that hook.
They brought sausage balls.
Who brought sausage balls?
Family.
Oh, they picked up the...
Yeah.
Put this over here. Oh, no! Yeah, this is a lot harder than it looks.
Time lapse.
Okay, go ahead. We're time lapsing.
Yeah, this is going to take a while. This is brand new. Bye. was stressful, but we did it.
We did it, but it was very stressful.
Imagine it was
All right, so we
so
made
I
it to the top. We looped all of our loops. So now we're getting out a C-clip, which I think is basically what clips our two ends together. Why do they call this a C-clip when it's shaped like an S?
It's an S hook.
That's an S hook every day of the week. All right, so.
I don't think they understand it here.
We've got our last piece there. Now I'm supposed to put, what do I do with it?
What do you mean?
Oh, here it is.
Do we need a time lapse?
No, we're almost done. We're gonna clip.
And there she goes, throwing it. Thrower.
I'm gonna clip this on here. All right, you ready for this?
Oh my God.
Is it working?
I think it is. We're making it.
We're making it. You got that?
Yeah. Okay, now how do we?
Hold on, let me see. It says, join the slipping at the beginning. Oh, I have it. I'm going to use the same one that I already have. We hear you, girl, but you just got out there, so you're going to wait a minute.
We hear you, loud and clear.
Loud and
Clear.
clear. All right, I'm having a little technical difficulty at the end here. Will you hold this?
Yes. Did we get it?
I think we did. Does it look amazing or not so much?
It looks amazing. It even fits on my arm.
Oh, yay!
Now all we gotta do is make 10 more.
No chance.
There we go. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Bye.